Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Asana in-app notifications missing. Many users notice task updates or alerts don't appear, and this usually happens due to notification settings, cache, or app issues. First, check your internet connection. Slow networks can block notifications. Use a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. Step 1, verify Asana notification settings. Go to Profile Settings greater than Notifications and make sure in-app notifications are enabled. Check for tasks, projects, and teams. Step 2, clear browser or app cache. Corrupted cache may block notifications. Clear cache and reload Asana or restart the app. Step 3, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or privacy tools may interfere. Turn them off temporarily and test again. Step 4, try incognito or private mode. This runs Asana without extensions or cached data. If notifications appear here, cache or extensions are the issue. Step 5, update your browser or Asana app. Outdated versions may prevent notifications. Use the latest Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Asana app. Step 6, check team permissions. Limited roles may hide certain notifications. Ensure your access level allows viewing updates. Finally, contact Asana support if notifications still don't appear. Share workspace, browser, or app version and steps tried. Support can check server or account level issues. So yeah, fixing Asana in-app notifications missing is about checking internet, enabling notifications, clearing cache, disabling extensions, using incognito, updating software, checking permissions, and contacting support. Follow these steps and notifications should appear normally again. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped.